Hey, I'm back. Kind of. This is just the beginning of a little idea I got, which I definitely did not almost leave the deadline for. No. Anyhow, that's why we'll be building the first few doors of this advent calendar, and after that you're gonna get a little YouTube short and or Instagram reel for each subsequent day. So yeah, look forward to that and I hope you enjoy. Yeah, that's it for now. And for anyone wondering, no, this isn't part of the official canon, because in the official canon I'm currently stuck in a medieval village, in another realm. So yeah, check that out if you haven't already, and until tomorrow. Hopefully. Fuck, that's gonna be so much work.